Now I know why Nigerian niggas are all over the world. It's because of their women. What the fuck is this? These women are fucking handsome. Yo! Nigerian niggas are all over the world so that you can see the most beautiful women outside their country, because you can see in the country there's none. Because if this is the top 6 of the Miss Nigerian pageants, like what the fuck is going on in that country? I don't know and I don't care. Look at this one. Why is she smelling like that? This man is smelling like she's about to eat somebody. And when I say eat, I mean literally eating. Because I know you guys may think that maybe I'm talking about smashing. No, I'm talking about eating, because me, on my worst days, I will never allow somebody like that to smash me. Hell no. I will rather masturbate. Yo. And then these are the very same women that be bashing South African women that, hey, you are taking our husband from us. Of course, baby girl, what did you expect when you look like this? You Nigerian women, all of you, you have criminal records for looking like this. I don't care who says what. Damn. Imagine being represented by one of these women in this picture right now. How do you feel? Okay, let me start from Chioma. Chioma Nkunch. Pes. I can't even pronounce her name. I'm gonna just say her name. Oputa. Pes. Happiness. Pes. Ezendu. Pes. Kurobo. Pes. Joy. Pes. All of them say Pes.